All right, I just received these. You guys may have heard about these on your Facebook page. They're the Wayfarer Ray-Ban glasses, and this is how you open them. You've got to find this little tab on the side, pull it like that, get it off your finger, and then I think that we can just pull this and it'll open. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, let's set this back there. And here we go. You ready? It's the big reveal. It keeps revealing itself. Oh, there they are. Check them out. Wow. What do you think? Don't want to get the lenses dirty. I just popped them out of there. Oh, shoot. Look at that. There's some kind of a thing over here that charges them. We might have to do some reading here. So I think that, yeah, see that right there? That connects in here. So we got to pull this off of here, right? Set that down there. And I do believe that's how they charge. They charge inside of here. So let's go ahead and get all this excess stuff off of them. Let's take a gander. Let's look at them. Now I got these on Amazon, believe it or not. And I think they were pretty cheap compared to what they usually charge. But the way you're going to charge this is inside of this case, like that. It's got a magnet that kind of pulls it in over here. You see that? And I'm thinking that we must have a USB area here. Oh, there it is, look. So it looks like a USB-C, right? So I'm thinking download Facebook View app. So we've got to do that, and I believe that in here we probably got some more things that we need. Oh my gosh, look at this. What is all this stuff? This is in different languages. Look, here's whatever language that is. Aha, reference guide. That seems like that's English. Let's keep that one right here. And I think these other ones we may not need. So let's set those over here. Oh, this is the safety and warranty. We need that. All right, it does come with this little package here. You see that? And you can put your glasses on that, and that kind of protects them. And I would think that we would have a cord. And I think we do have one. Let's go ahead and pop this baby. Oh, here we go. Check it out. We get our USB-C. USB-C to USB-C. So it doesn't come with a block, though. No block. Which kind of sucks, you know. It would be nice to have a USB-C block, but we don't get one. So we'll put that over here. The reference guide is here. We're going to go read through this. We're going to learn how to do it. But this is the unboxing. That's what you get in the box. I think we're going to have to charge it first, and we'll show you how to do that also. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you everything about these glasses and how we test them out. Peace out. Ow, my finger.